Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can click the small plus sign next to the JDBC JNDI folder to make a data connection to a Java database connectivity, meaning JDBC data source, or to a data source that has already been identified using the Java Naming and Directory Interface, or JNDI. To start, click the small plus sign next to the JDBC JNDI folder within the Create New Connection section of the Database Expert dialog box. Then within the JDBC JNDI dialog box, select the type of connection to establish by selecting either the JDBC connection or JNDI connection option button. If you select the JDBC connection, then type the JDBC connection URL into the connection URL text box. Next, you must specify the name of the class that you want to use as the driver for this connection by typing it into the database class name text box. You can also optionally specify a JNDI connection name for the connection by typing it into the connection name optional text box. If you select the JNDI connection option, then enter the JNDI connection URL for the database driver specified by the driver's vendor into the field of the same name. Then type your JNDI username and password into the JNDI username and JNDI password text boxes. In the Initial Context text box, enter the folder pathway where the JNDI service should look for data sources. Once you specify the connection settings and then click the Next button, all available data sources in the specified location will be listed. Select the desired data source from the data source name list that appears, and click the Next button again to move to the connection information screen. In the database connection screen, you can enter the database name and additional logon information required for your selected connection. When you're done, simply click the Finish button to create the database connection.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.